What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. Let's talk about Bitcoin guys. Today a very quiet day. If we change to the 1 hour time frame here, we can see even better that the price is having no volatility right now. We are just hanging around at these levels right here. Very tight level of resistance and support holding the price at these levels. Of course, pretty natural because the previous 2 days were very aggressive both for the Bitcoin and also for the altcoins. So today we are not having that much of volatility. We are just grabbing some more momentum here to decide if we are going to have another leg up or if we are going to have another leg to the downside here to retest the next level of support. Before going through the charts guys, as usually I have to recommend you to use Bybit or Bitflex. Both are very good variants that you can be using to make your own trades. If you haven't signed up to Bybit yet, you can do it right now and claim your bonus because they are giving up to $30,000 bonus, but it requires KYC. So if you want to keep being anonymous, I would recommend you to use my second link on the description and go to Bitflex. They require no KYC there and they are also a very reliable exchange. So finally guys, let's go to the charts, and after this fake out to the upside here, we saw some drop on the price. We went down 4%. We've bounced from this level right here, and if we change to the 15 minutes chart here, you can see that we have a solid support down here and a solid resistance at the top. And you know already, when we have this type of movement right here, if we break to the upside, we tend to continue going to the upside. If we break to the downside, we tend to have a continuation to the downside. As you know already, I am quite bearish for the short period of time, and I do think that we are going to claim these lower lows right here and even break it to the downside, come down to the level of this zone of demand right here, because of the reasons that I told you on the last video. And if we are going to see some continuation to the upside here guys, on my opinion, it is going to be only a relief rally before we go down and hit those lows. And because of this, I will be looking for shorting the price of the Bitcoin around these levels. Of course, we have to wait, we have to see, and to see how the price does react at those levels. And if I see some trigger, I am absolutely going to open a short position here because I think we are going lower. And if you want to know my next steps and my next trades, I would recommend you to sign up to my Telegram channel. The link is down on the description of this video. The idea of the Telegram channel is to have a better contact with you, a closer contact with you, and I'll be updating you with fresh charts of any altcoins that you wish. So you just let me know what you want me to analyze to you, and I will do the analysis. I will send there and we are going to discuss, talk about it. Okay, so click right there and sign up. So yes guys, that's what I'm seeing right now. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, so do your own trades, do your own research always. But that's my personal opinion, and that's what I am seeing on the charts right now. On the bigger picture guys, I am obviously a bull. I am definitely bullish for the Bitcoin price. I think that we are going to break the previous all-time high, and we are going higher, and we are going to make a new all-time high, maybe in 2024, maybe in 2025. On the bigger picture, I am bullish guys, but we can never guys on the market act according to our emotions. Yes, I want it to go higher, I think we are going to go higher, but we are seeing some signs that we are going down. We are seeing some signs that are bearish. The bearish divergence right here, the fake out that we had. If we change to the weekly time frame here, you can see that we are so far, it's not closed yet, we still have 1 day to change this candle, but we are so far closing a very ugly candle. We also have bearish divergence here on the weekly time frame, which is even worse. So we cannot be emotional here, and we cannot be blind thinking that we are just going high. You know what I mean? Yes, we are having a lot of great news for the Bitcoin. I am excited myself with all these big institutions racing for the Bitcoin ETF. Yes, it is a very incredible thing. But guys, we cannot deny this fact. We cannot trade based on news. We have to trade according to strategy, to signs that the chart is giving to us. And looking at the chart right now, I cannot be that bullish, guys. Of course, we have some bullish scenarios here as well. We have this cup and handle. Yes, it would be amazing if we manage to break to the upside. But first we have to break to the upside. Because if we don't even have the pattern, you know what I mean? I could be wrong, of course, guys. Tomorrow maybe it's coming a crazy news like it came for the Ripple, for example, and the price is going to just explode. Yes, it might happen, but we cannot predict this. We cannot even expect, you know what I mean? We cannot just come to the charts right here and say, yes, we have good news, we have ETF, we have BlackRock, I'm opening a long position, and I am closing my long position at $80,000. Guys, it doesn't happen this way. If you're bullish on the Bitcoin on the longer term, guys, you can buy Bitcoin and you can store Bitcoin on your wallet. But you cannot just come crazily like this and say, I am bullish, yes, good news, I'm opening this position right now, 10% X. You know what I mean? You can't, you need a setup, you need strategy, and you need triggers to get into a trade, into a day trade, into a swing trade. And now we are not having this type of signals, and my strategy is telling me that we are going to go lower, unfortunately. And of course, guys, that's just my personal opinion. I can be wrong. We cannot predict when good news are coming, guys. So yes, everything on the crypto market always can happen. We can just come tomorrow here and print a very big candle and I would be completely wrong. Yes, it could happen. And as I told you once, I'm going to repeat it to you. If we have a massive candle here breaking above all these levels, and together with this breaking also the previous lower highs here on the RSI, we would be invalidating the bearish divergence on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame. Yes, would be a way better position to be bullish on the shorter term. That's it for today, guys. I hope you understood what I said. I hope it was clear. And yes, guys, if you are bullish on the longer term, great. I am bullish as well on the longer term. Let's buy gradually, weekly, monthly. We buy some Bitcoin and we store this Bitcoin. And when we have a good entry point that we are going to go up, we can trade maybe even with this money. But right now we are not having it. And I cannot just open a long position here because I think that because I know that in the future we are going to be at higher prices. Smash the like button if you like this conversation, guys. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.